Hello and welcome to our channel. We're thrilled you're here. Subscribe and hit the bell to join our community. Join us as we explore design, craft, and small business growth centered on beautiful wooden furniture. Small wooden stools are deceptively simple pieces, compact, functional, and economical, yet they can express strong design language. A well-designed stool anchors a corner, supports daily routines, and communicates brand personality. Start any stool project by choosing the right wood. Hardwoods like oak, maple, walnut, and beech offer durability and fine grain. Softer woods such as pine or poplar are easier to machine and paint, but dent more easily. Consider proportions. Seat diameter, height, and leg spread determine comfort and stability. For a low stool, 14 to 18 inches height suits casual seating. Counter height stools range 24 to 26 inches. Bar height is typically 29 to 32 inches. Seat shapes change the experience. Round seats feel friendly and minimalist. Square seats read modern and geometric. Leg styles define character. Straight square legs feel sturdy and utilitarian. Tapered legs lean mid-century. Joinery is both functional and decorative. Through tenons and dowel joints increase strength and can be left visible. Glued and screwed joints work for budget builds, but hide the craft. Finishes set the tone. Clear oil and wax celebrate natural grain. Lacquer and polyurethane protect in high-traffic commercial settings. Color treatments expand market reach. Neutral stains highlight wood beauty. Bold painted seats. Textures elevate a simple form. Wire brushing, distressing, or charring add tactility and visual depth. Multi-function designs increase appeal. Small stools that double as plant stands. Step stools or bedside tables. Portability matters. Lightweight stools with finger cutouts or handles are easy to reconfigure. Consider a leather strap loop for carrying. Upholstery and softening, add a removable cushion or leather pad to increase comfort, and seasonal options. Branding with detail, laser-etched logos or makers. Sustainability sells. For small batch makers. Pricing strategies account for materials and labor, but also look at perceived value of handcrafted items. Retail presentation influences sales. Styling stools in sets with plants helps customers imagine them in their space. Design protective, flat pack packaging to reduce shipping costs and your carbon footprint. Give customers clear instructions and offer limited warranties. Small wooden. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe, leave a comment, and tell us what you'd like to see next.